guys, welcome back to my channel. So this parcel finally arrived yesterday and I already know what it is. It's something that I pre-ordered I was in Malaysia at that time, so I'm gonna say February, and I think you guys can guess what it is. It is the Kaws North Face jacket, and yeah, it finally arrived. I pre-ordered this from the Saks Fifth Avenue website, and I can't remember how much I spent, but it was pretty expensive. And tell me why I still had to pay for shipping. Don't you feel like when you spend over a certain amount, shipping should be free? But I guess like every online store is different. But I'm happy that I got it and I thought I can unbox it together with you guys. So it comes in this really big box. Look at this, hold on. Why is it so awkward? They've wrapped it with some paper. Okay, let me grab it out of this box. The box is very big, but obviously it's just a jacket, so it's not very heavy at all. And I ended up getting the Kaws North Face Nupsy jacket in a size small, and I don't think I've ever tried this jacket before, but based on like images that I was seeing online, I was assuming that it might fit a little bit oversized, so I'm really hoping that I got the right size. And from what I've heard as well, a lot of my friends who are guys, they say that it's quite cropped on them, so if you're particularly tall, maybe keep that in mind. But I think I'll try this on later. But I'm just so excited that I finally got it. You guys know that I've been wanting this for so long as well. A lot of websites dropped it, but my game was just so not strong on that day and I was missing out on everything. So I missed out on Dover Street Market. I think did Essence have it? I know Ann Clothing had it, Mr. Porter. Anyway, there were so many websites that had them, and for some reason, I don't know what I was doing that day, so I wasn't able to cop, so I had to pre-order it from Saks Fifth Avenue. And I feel like I ended up paying a little more as well because there was like taxes and shipping and all that. So anyway, I'm glad that it is here. So let's have a look. I'm so excited, guys. So the weather here in Melbourne is cooling down, but I don't think it's like super cold right now to be able to wear this. And I've never owned a North Face jacket either, and I feel like this is probably the best time to get a North Face jacket because it is Kaws, obviously, and you guys know that I will buy anything Kaws. Like Brian, take my money, okay? Just take my money. This jacket did come in a few different colors, and I decided to go for this because I thought I would wear these colors the most, so it seemed a little bit more muted. The green and yellow one is cool, but I feel like in terms of getting more wear out of it, I would definitely wear this more, and also because it was bit expensive so I want to make sure that I wear it. I'm pretty sure with the hood you can roll it up and then you can pop it into the collar like that, so I think that's cool. On the back as well, you can see there is the North Face and Kaws co-branding. I might try it on quickly just so I know that I got the right size. If I got the wrong size, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Then I'll maybe just not wear like thick layers underneath. I also want to show you the inside. I just noticed that there is that same print, but obviously in a like black and gray color. I think that's a really nice touch. Okay, let's try this on quickly. I probably can't keep this on for that long because I'm already feeling a little bit warm. Tell me why I'm wearing a hoodie today. Oh my god. Okay, wait you guys. This is not the look. I don't plan on wearing this hoodie with this jacket, but I have to say, I'm glad I went with a size small. So usually with a lot of my clothes that I buy, we know that they're always menswear. I always go for a size medium just because I don't mind it to be a little oversized. Usually when it comes to jackets and stuff, I will get a size small because sometimes the arms seem to be too long for me if I go for a size medium. These ones feel okay. I feel like I made the right choice with the size, which I'm really excited about because yeah, when I was trying to get this online, I was thinking like, please get the right size. And you know, I'm pretty bad with like exchanging stuff, and generally if I buy something that's in the wrong size, I would just be like, oh, I guess I'll just wear the wrong size. So yeah, I'm happy. This looks so good. So I'm very excited for the weather to cool down. And then, wait, there's like a hair. This hair? I'm very excited for the weather to cool down so I can start wearing this jacket, and you guys already know I'll post some fits on Instagram. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if any of you guys picked up any of the pieces. I know that there's still some items on the End website because I checked a few days ago and they still have, I think, the hoodie and some of the pants, and the price is pretty reasonable. I mean, it is retail, so it's not like super expensive. I think the jacket is probably the more expensive item. There was also the other one. Wait, let me just take off this jacket. It's getting a bit warm. As I was saying, the other more expensive item that I wanted was the free ride jacket. So it's all black, but it has the reflective details. I thought that was cool, but I was also struggling with what size to get, and of course it sold out, and so I didn't get it. But I'm happy that I picked this one up because I kind of feel like I need a puffer jacket. Do I? I don't even know what jackets I usually wear every year. I feel like I wear the same thing over and over again, but I'm happy to add this to my jacket collection, even though I don't really have one. So anyway, moving on. There are two pairs of sneakers that I wanted to unbox together with you guys as well, since we are here. And this one I've been keeping for so long, and I kept telling you guys that I'm going to do an unboxing, and I never ended up doing it because I got carried away with the Wabi Sabi MX ones, and then I was trying to do that StockX story thing, which I really hope you guys checked out because Lawrence and I shot that content over 2 days, but then they were like 1 week apart. If you watch my last vlog, you know that it was not all in one day, but it was so fun to shoot, and I spent extra time editing that content as well, even though it probably doesn't look like it. But yeah, I hope you guys checked it out, and it got me thinking that I should maybe do like a monthly thing and kind of highlight places that I like to go to here in Melbourne. Let me know if that's something you guys might be interested in. But when I was shooting and editing that content, I thought that would be nice. Anyway, back to these sneakers. I have these New Balance sneakers that I wanted to show you guys, and I've already worn them a few times, and you guys know that I've been wanting this for quite a while as well. So I'm so grateful that I got them. I got them from Kicksmate AU. I'll link their Instagram down below so you guys can check them out. I think it's great to buy locally, and I had a really good experience, so I hope you guys check them out as well. A few vlogs ago, I unboxed the sea salt colorway, but the rain cloud one is the one that I really wanted, and when they first released I wasn't able to get a pair, and considering that it's not even a collab, the resale is pretty high on these, so I'm super grateful that I got them. Look at the colorway, guys. Like, the different materials and texture on this sneaker is just so on point. You guys know with New Balance sneakers, they just have great quality, and they're so comfortable that I don't know what I've been doing this whole time that I never got into New Balances earlier. This is the 2002R silhouette, and the 2002 originally released in 2010, and it was marketed as like a luxury or like premium running sneaker, and at the time it retailed for $250, and it was considered like pretty up there in price. With the original pair, it actually had the full-length gel cushioning system, whereas the 2002R has the gel just on the heel area, but I find these to be super comfortable. I was reading an article about these sneakers, and it's funny that the designer himself didn't name these the protection pack, but for some reason we all kind of know this as a protection pack. I don't really know where that name came from, so I guess the correct name is Refined Future, but sometimes I'm so used to calling it protection pack as well. And even when you look it up, I think on StockX, for example, it shows up as protection pack, but the designer himself says that that is not the right name. I'm so happy to finally add this to my collection. I feel like the colorway is just so on point, and I love the different layers and textures, and it kind of gives it a slightly distressed kind of look. And I'm excited for all the new colorways that will be dropping this year. I'm sure you guys have seen them online already. I need that pink pair. I think that colorway is just super on point, so whatever it is, I need to get my hands on those, and I'm really hoping if I'm unable to get them for retail, that resale isn't too high. If you are like me and you're a little bit slow to the New Balance wave, I highly recommend that you get yourself a pair of these because they are just so great, so comfortable, and I feel like they look really good on feet as well. Sizing wise, I feel like you can go true to size. I got these in a men's 6.5, which is half a size up from my true to size, only because I don't like my sneakers to be super snug. But I think if you went true to size, you will be fine and you will experience how comfortable these are. So highly recommend them, and make sure you guys check out Kingsmade AU as well. Moving on to the next pair of sneakers, it is another pair of New Balance, and obviously you guys can see the box. You already know what this is. I posted a photo on Instagram recently and I just love these so much. I haven't actually worn them out. I just did the little on feet at home, but look at this. First of all, the colorway on this is super on point. So I picked this up from one of my subscribers, Tin. So big shout out to him. Thank you so much for these. I love them. So you guys know that I tried to cop this when they released on the Jown website as well as the New Balance Australia website, and you know, else as expected. So then I had to go the resell way. I'm so happy that I did, because look at the colorway first of all. So this is the New Balance Jown 990 V3s, and I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I've been wearing a lot more New Balances because I'm just loving the releases that they've been coming out with. I think the colorway is super on point, and the quality I'm noticing is very consistently good compared to some other brands. I feel like sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. But so far, all the New Balance sneakers that I picked up, the quality has been really on point. Obviously, because this is a Jown collab, there is going to be some hype around it, and a lot of my friends who tried to cop them on the release date weren't able to, but I think they're super worth the resale because, like I said before, the colorway is just so on point. I don't know whether it's just me, but I'm really into greens and olive at the moment, and there's just something about the tone of olive or sage color that they've used on this sneaker that just looks so good. On the back here, you can see there is the Jown branding. You'll also notice this hit of off-white sail color on the midsole of the sneaker near the heel area that looks really great, and it complements the cream laces perfectly. They also give you a set of olive laces, but I decided to just go with the cream ones because I think it matches again perfectly with the midsole area, and it definitely gives it a really nice neutral natural kind of look, which I'm really into at the moment. So I cannot wait to actually wear these out. Like I said, I haven't, but I need to think of a fit to wear with these. Because of how neutral the color is, I feel like this would definitely be my new everyday sneaker. But yeah guys, those are the two sneakers that I really wanted to show you guys. I have a few more pairs coming, but they're still on the way. And also, I just realized that the Concepts Annex 1 in the far out, no not the far out, in the heavy colorway is available or is sitting on the supply website, and I'm thinking whether I should get a pair. You know what, it's not even a question, I should go and get a pair. And I was gonna cop online yesterday, and then I realized maybe I should just go in store so I don't have to pay for shipping, even though shipping's just $20. Are you guys like that? I don't know what it is guys, like when it comes to shipping, I don't want to pay for shipping if I don't have to. So I think sometime this week I might hit up supply. Okay, not sometime, maybe tomorrow, because I'm afraid my size will sell out. So tomorrow I will go to supply and pick up the Concepts Annex 1s. I checked out the prices on the Mellows recently, and it's actually not too bad. I think it's really reasonable, and I think the Mellow may be my favorite color out of that pack of 3, but the far outs also look kind of cool. So because I can't decide, then I feel like I need all 3. But yeah guys, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this really quick unboxing. I know there wasn't like great b-roll or anything like that, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you want to see more on these sneakers, oh wait, I forgot to talk about sizing. Okay, wait. So, I feel like I need to remember that. Obviously, when you watch sneaker reviews, you want to know about sizing. So, in terms of sizing, this is a pair of 990 V3s, and I have my Joe Fresh goods in a men's 6.5, and they fit really good. I feel like generally with the 990s, you can go true to size. Again, I always go up half a size just because I don't like it to be super snug, but I think if I went true to size, it would be perfect. These ones though, I had to get in a men's US 7 because sometimes you have to take what you can get. Okay guys, so even though I've gone one full size up, I feel like I can still get away with it. Maybe if I wear like slightly thicker socks, they still feel really good on feet, and I don't really get a lot of heel slippage, if that makes any sense. As long as I do up the laces, they're fine. I don't know if other people see these on my feet, they might feel like it's a little bit big. I don't know guys, but I think they look okay, or I just want to believe that it's fine. But you guys know that my shoe size varies from like a men's 6 to a 7, just depending on like the silhouette and stuff. But I think with the 990 V3s, it is safe to say that you can go true to size or half a size up. And if necessary, like me, if you even buy one full size up, you're fine as well. Because yeah, just the way this shoe is designed, like it just feels really good on feet and it kind of hugs onto your feet, which I really, really love. And I think that is my very brief sizing information, so I hope that was somewhat helpful. If you guys want to see more of these sneakers, I would definitely be wearing them throughout my vlogs and stuff, and then maybe I can give you a bit more feedback in terms of like sizing, show you guys some fits and stuff like that. So make sure you tune in to my future vlogs, because I would definitely be wearing these somewhere. I haven't worn it out just yet because I feel like I have nowhere like special to go to. Like, should I just wear it to a supermarket? I don't know, but because I love them so much, I'm trying to like think of like somewhere to actually go to them in. Well, anyway, guys, that is enough of me rambling on. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if I forget any like important information, I will probably leave it in the description bar below. And as usual, I'll list and link everything that I mentioned in this video, even what I'm wearing and like the random things in the background if you guys are interested. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys really, really soon. Bye. I already have the cloud, wait, what's the name? Sea salt. But I'm so happily, what?